What up, good people? Happy New Year's to you guys. Man, the first video of the year. This is 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. Just the other day, it was blazing. The wind was getting like 45 miles per hour. And I'm like, yep, they're gonna need a new windshield. Because I'm looking at my neighbors and they got their wiper blades up. Forecast calls for snow, but the winds is getting it, boom, boom, like 45 miles per hour, like I said. And I'm looking like, yeah, they're gonna need a new windshield. And I was like, oh man, that would be a good 2 Minute Tip Tuesday. Why should you not leave your windshield up? Because cold winter makes a glass more brittle. So it's like a hammer coming down on a windshield. So if your wiper blades is up, it's like a hammer coming down on it because the wind is pushing it down. So now you got a cracked windshield or a broken windshield. Now you got more problems than a little bit because you were trying to prevent your wiper blade sticking to your windshield or easy access in the where you can scrape the ice off. So what should you do? If you don't want the ice stuck to your windshield, if you don't want the wiper blade stuck to your windshield, like put something over it, over your wipers and your glass, so it don't have to be stuck to the windshield. Or you can get in your car, turn the defroster on, and it'll melt the ice off your wiper blades. That is the easy step. Or you can just go in the house, get some rubbing alcohol, mix it, that solution, boom, boom, spray on the windshield, and boom, you don't have no more ice on your windshield. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.